Of course, Big Hes, Antonio Hester. Ball is up, game is on. Tip-off natin brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. What kind of game, Coach Eric, do you expect from these two teams?
Well, you know, you expect always a defensive game for Magnolia because when you talk about defense, they're number 2 in defense here in the Governor's Cup. Samantalang itong Rain or Shine naman, they definitely need to improve on their shooting, yung kanilang field goal. Among all the teams here in the Governor's Cup, sila yung dead last pagdating sa field goal percentage.
That's right. And Chio Halalon, well, itong the best example I can take of Coach Eric, let's say you're down by 6. Iba yung laro mo kung down by 6 ka with 10 minutes left and kung down by 6 ka with 30 seconds left.
Yes.
Lee, naiwan bukas. Ball gets it back out to Big Hes. Showing us some range. Hindi lang sa ilalim ang kaya nito. What usually happens is it's teamwork. Paano nakaka-rebound yung guards? The bigs box out, right?
Yes.
Dito wala nang box out. Yup, hits a 3. Here's Halalon by the basket. He loves playing around the trees in the paint.
Yung upper body niya talaga napakalakas.
Well, speaking of strength, Coach, yung pinakita ni The Muses. The Muses out to Belga, will try again. Still couldn't hit it. The Muses with a rebound. Yep, with the putback, 5 points now for Big Game James.
Playing maararo dun sa mga guards inside.
Abueva magmimintis. Hester was there to tip it back in. Parang kailangan yata natin pareho mag-diet bigla, Coach. No? Nakakahiya.
Nakakahiya.
Look at Calvin Abueva. Ito yung lumuluso talaga sa lahat ng mga maliliit na butas dyan sa ilalim.
Import, ito nakuha talaga ng Magnolia because he's more of a team player. Kagaya nga nasabi yung bihira siya tumitira.
How about that assist yung contrib La Rosa? Baroka, pinasok na rin ni Coach Chito, and Mark immediately makes his presence felt. They're now 1 of 9 from downtown. Samantala, Magnolia keeps carving out space underneath. Hindi talaga pumapasok yung mga tira nila sa labas, Coach.
That's the big difference with the Tira Firma game. They open things up immediately because of their outside shots.
Etong Magnolia, hindi na pinipilit masyado yung tira sa labas. They're doing it from mid-range or close to the basket.
They're picking their shots, and that's something that Rain or Shine needs.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Hester inside. What a play! Baroka being chased by Gabe. He goes to Hester again. It's a miss. Escoto keeps it alive, and Russell Escoto with 4 quick points. Ito ngayon ng Rain or Shine, looking to end this quarter on a good note. And Smith.
Ganda na explosion niya to the basket. May behind the back dribble pa.
Pero last shot time para sa Magnolia. Baroka stepping back. Shoots over Ponferrada. Karakot's heave. No go. Filipino din sila for now. With ng Batak, Ponferrada, Norwood, Santillan, and Karakot. 3-point shot for Gabe. Finally hitting one. But right now they settle things down. Wall pull-up jumper. Bottom of the net.
Even Barangay Ginebra had the time that they had so many guards as well. So a lot of these teams really opting to go combo guards.
De La Rosa, 16 points, the new biggest lead for Magnolia. Ang bilis na, naging 16. Now it's 18. At karamihan ng mga binibitawan ng Rain or Shine is from outside. They finally get another one. They're now 4 of 16, 25%. May possession sila, lamang pa sila. Napasa ni Santillan doon sa likod ni Belga. Kaya nakakahilig, and they were able to tie the game up. Some sort of resurgence here. Rakot labas kay Borboran. Extra pass, mamuyak. Sakal naman ni Abueva. Defense play to a premium. A steal here. Karakot for 3. Money! Masyadong mi-score, di ba?
Yun na nga eh. Yun na nga eh. Talagang, tsaka pinagbibigyan ko yung mga MVP. Sila Meneses, sila Saito, no?
Kayo na.
Kayo na lang. Oo, kasi kaya ko naman yun eh.
In a uniform na inabutan.
Correct.
Pagdating dito, may Gio Halalon sa Magnolia. May Calvin Abueva pang sumunod. But
puso na doon. He can make stops.
I think we also saw it when he wore a Gilas Pilipinas uniform before. How about Halalon? Coach, ikaw nagsabi niya, ha?
Pero, kagaya nga nasabi ko, You know, even if ganyan lang yung height ni Gio, diba, he still is very dangerous because he scores heavily. Nakaka-triple-double pa nga halos. Nick the Muses.
He goes to Escoto. That ball was tapped. It will stay with Magnolia. Mark Barroca, the runner.
Favorite shot. Favorite. Always deadly when you make him do those kinds of shots.
That's 8 points for Barroca. Belga answers. Rivas has it against Santillan. The handoff to Lee. Paul Lee. Ang dali naman nun para kay Paul.
Not really an easy person to score against.
Alalon bibitaw mula sa labas. That's a 3 for Gio. Santillan gustong bumawi. That's off to the left. Yap with the rebound. Gets the 2 points. Lee. The hop step inside. 13 points para kay Paul. Norwood. Jumper is good. Some even said na kaya rin hindi gaano nag-work nga si Eric McCree because Magnolia was lacking that inside presence. Asistio. His jumper, you know, he wasn't even able to square up.
You know, you just have to use that, you know, that, oh, what a nice pass. Grabe. Grabe talaga to si Gio. Ang dami na nagagawa inside.
Alalon really in charge of the offense of Magnolia. Siya naman yung bumabantay dito kay Asistio who gives up. Ang ating nakita na James Yap led team yung Magnolia, but Paul Lee really introducing himself.
You know, how can you not, you know, not support your best player in the team? Eh talagang may embrace kagad yun ng mga fans, lalo na kung maganda yung kanyang pinapakita.
And there, Rafi Rivas rocks the rim!
In the league, mababa ang rain or shine. So kung hindi ka pa mananalo sa rebound, eh magiging problema yun dyan.
Rain or shine, looking for anything here. They finally get a 3 mula kay Caracos. Sinalubong ni Jonicio and he pulls it back. Belga lines up a 3. Back-to-back hits para sa Elasto Painters.
Nitong ni Mark Barroca sa ganda ng kanyang performance here in the league.
Oh, that was a great play after that timeout, Coach. Naj Miravalles at yours truly, Chuck Sulit. Russell Escoto. They missed, but dahil nga ang dami nilang players doon, they still get a couple of offensive rebounds, and Belga finishes through the foul.
True. I mean, it's really all about, you know, trust. And
wow! I'm sorry, Coach. Ala talaga yung shooting ni Karakot ngayon. Here's Barroca. Off the glass na naman.
But he can make those.
That's true.
He has been shooting some threes every now and then.
Great
aggressive attack by Nick the Muses.
With the import, he's not afraid to go all Filipino.
Oh yes, they can win games without an import.
Alalon getting it against Tambata. And Barroca, pabanda nga!
In the paint, they're taking a gamble more on those outside shots.
Barroca fall away, that's good. Wong has it. De La Rosa, atake. Iwan kay Escoto. Lead is down.
So 8 attempts lang siya in the game, Jot. He's not really getting enough attempts to really help out.
Siya pa yung titirahan, si De La Rosa. Well, Paulie is on the floor right now looking to add this total, pero this time around, may iwanan sila ni Mamuyak. Mamuyak will enjoy another layup. Lee coming out to get that basketball, being chased by Mamuyak. Go back to Hester. Antonio Hester adding 2 more points to their lead. Ildefonso going to Santillan. Santi huli kay Abueva. Parang this game si Gio Halalo na may hawak ng bola ngayon has been busy offensively. Pero minsan naman siya yung magpa-5 steals.
Yeah, he's also good on those.
Mamuyak, well, as you say that, Magnolia gets another steal. Alalon, spinning, fading away. Karakot spinning past the defense. Clarito mula sa labas. That's been the story as Ildefonso bounces up that miss. You know, there are games that you'll survive and win shooting 33%, but probably not when your opponent shoots 51. Tapos may mga ganyan pa play. Story as well here is that yung import ng Rain or Shine never really got going as Clarito enjoys a pristine path to the hoop. Halalon. Beautiful pass once again. A 5'8" Gio Halalon grabbed 9 rebounds nung panalo nila the last time around sa NLEX. Tapos ngayon, 8 rebounds na naman.
Hustle. And then parang, you know what's been happening, John? A lot of the guards are waiting on the prowl sila from the 15-foot line. Kita mo yun, tatlo kagad yung nakapaligid dun kay Santi.
El Defonso, back-to-back three. We also have to make mention of the fact na nagkaroon din kasi sila ng injuries, coach, that they had to deal with. Zaldivar gets the better of Belga's defense there. Ito yung final score natin, 112-97.